Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm by the name of Chenya Elizabeth. I've come to present to you the introduction to Gmail. So if your first time you don't know how to use Gmail, you come to, when you've already signed in your Google account, you come to this icon here. You look for the Gmail. From this icon, you see this one is the Gmail. You click on that Gmail. You can see the Gmail account is opening. So when Gmail opens, you actually come to what? This is what we call the inbox, and this is the message you're seeing in my inbox. And then we have starred message, we have snooze, sent message, draft, purchased, and more. And more things you can delete. In the trash, you can manage labels, you can create new labels, and you can also upgrade it. So that is about the Gmail. And then if you want to write a letter or create a Gmail letter, you click on compose. So when you click on compose, you find that you are writing a letter to somebody. You can also add this, add CC, add somebody's what? In case the person has that big address, you can what? You can add it. You keep on adding like that. So for example, I'm going to say I want to send it to Liz, which is this one. I change this, and then the subject might be employment opportunity. Then you can continue writing your letter. Then they're asking you easily switch different signature. Here you can insert signature. You come to manage signature. So we want to manage our signature. So when you come here, you can see. Let us first minimize this one. Then we come to our signature. So we want to create signature. You come down here. See here it's create signature. So we shall create it. So we can put our signature here, maybe primary signature. Primary signature. Then you say create. So when you put create, you can see there are options here for you to create the signature. So you come here, you start typing. Like you say, my name is Acheng Liz. Acheng Elizabeth. Then you can say bachelor in medicine and surgery. You can put even your address, Google. That is all that I want to put on it. Then you can continue downwards. Then you can save what? Save changes. These are the things you want to put on your signature. So you can now save your changes. And this changes has been saved. So you can see we had minimized. We want to increase our letter which we are texting, which is here. So we can now come here and we insert the signature. You can see manage signature. So when you want to create another signature, you also click there, manage signature. You create more and more signatures. So you can come and capitalize your letter the way you want, formatting them. You can insert a file, attach files to your letter. You can come here and attach a file. So you can look for files from your PC here. So you can pick anything, maybe the saved pictures like this one. Put in it, then you open. So it will be attached to your document as you see here. It's already loaded. You can also cancel it. Then you can see this one. You can attach links. You can also insert emojis. Then insert files from Google Drive. You can also insert photos. You can put this, and then this is the signature. You insert your signature there, which I had shown to you before. So you can put labels. You put spells here. Then you can now send your email where you want it to go. So in send, you can send it now, or you schedule when to send it later. So when you send it, it takes like some few seconds. You can undo it, like for example, we undo, then the letter will not reappear here. So you can also go to setting, and then if the time lapse for sending is too small, you can increase it maybe to 30 seconds. You can increase it to 30 seconds. So that is all about Gmail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more. Thank you.